Two-factor authentication not working on RealtyShares Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on RealtyShares, it can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to access your investments. But here's the good news: most of the time, it's not a serious issue. It's often just a minor sync or update problem that can be fixed in a few minutes. The first step is to check your device's clock settings. Two-factor authentication, or FA, relies on perfectly timed codes. If your phone's internal clock doesn't match RealtyShares servers, the codes won't work. Open your settings, enable set time automatically, and restart your device. If you're using an authenticator app, go into the app, tap time correction for codes, and hit sync now. Next, make sure both your RealtyShares app and your authenticator app are up to date. Old versions can cause failed verification attempts or code mismatches. If you're using SIMs-based FA and you're not receiving your code, check your cellular signal, disable Wi-Fi, or toggle airplane mode to refresh the connection. Sometimes mobile carriers delay short code messages temporarily. If you've recently switched phones, deleted your authenticator app, or no longer have access to it, you'll need to reset your FA. Go to the RealtyShares login screen, select Can't Access FA, and complete the verification steps. Once verified, you can re-enable two-factor authentication on your new device. Here's a smart tip: always keep a copy of your backup recovery codes in a secure place. They let you access your account even if you lose your FA device. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on RealtyShares, stay calm. Sync your time, update your apps, and check your connection. In most cases, that's all it takes to restore secure access and keep your real estate investments safe.